on, what is this? Grams. I need 500 grams of flour. Well, also known as
you make bread.
pan árabe
Pan.
in Spanish.
And me too.
Okay, we got here more or less 500 grams. 500 grams of flour. Say
Flour.
flour, 500 grams. Now we need yeast.
Yeah.
Okay, what else? We need a little bit of salt. Salt. Here in the dough.
Then the top.
Dry yeast. You can use 2 sachets like this, 2 of them would do. 250 ml of water. Same, some sugar. I'm gonna leave it warm water. I'm gonna need to
Some butter.
some black pepper.
Some black pepper.
Okay,
Pepper.
use 2 of these.
Maybe some.
Okay, I'm gonna put some sugar.
I show you better. Let's use.
Be careful. Be careful, mommy. Be careful.
Okay.
We stir a little bit.
With that.
No. Leave it. Okay, a little bit. I'm done.
Some
Okay.
black pepper.
We're gonna leave it like that. I'll do a bit more sugar like this. Okay, I'm gonna put this here.
Your sugar. Oh, it's really hot. Be careful.
We got our yeast.
And
We're
then
gonna cover it with a warm cloth. It needs to be warm. And we're gonna leave it
I got
15-20 minutes. Okay, we're going to see the result of the yeast. Has it grown? Yes.
No?
No.
So that's the...
Yeah, I took the pita with the dry one.
Oh, strange, but
I don't know if you know how to run. I know how to run this one. I think it was too hot the water. We put some oil in this. Put some oil here. You will see why. And you will see why we need this cloth.
But are you doing the flat bread or proper bread?
The flat bread.
Mm.
I never done the proper bread. I use proper bread. Thank you very much. With our flour. Here we got the flour with pinch of salt. I'm gonna put the yeast. And some vegetable oil. I'm start to make the dough.
Wash my hands with paper.
Okay, here's the dough. Gonna put in this big bowl. Grease.
Help me. Okay. Let me help you.
There you go. You cover with this warm cloth. And I'm going to put it in a dry, dark place and warm.
If you hear this noise, it's Guido's son.
You have to talk here, talk in this side. Talk to the camera. So what you want?
It's Guido's son here. And my name's the Giacomo. And Guido is washing his hands. So.
So let's see what happened with the dough. Yeah. Beautiful. And the best part of this is that
Nearly.
with the same dough you can make pizza.
What? What's the last word?
We are going to set up the baking process. Put some flour in the oven tray.
Why? Nice. No. How you spell nice? No. How you spell nice? And?
Like this. Here we go.
Put the volume down.
Our pitas.
Kind.
Or-
How you spell kind?
Our pan arabe. Oh my god, it's so cool, man. This is ridiculous.
Real.
R-E-A-L.
Really.
R-E-A-L.
2L. Really. Okay, remember that. Nice. I just say nice, not nicely. Just nice. And no, it's not S, Giacomo. And
Not too flat, not too thick, just like that.
nice. And what's the last word? Nicely. Bravo. Weak. Weak.
We are going to put the oven 200 up and down. Hot oven. In it goes our first batch
Let me do this, then I'm
of
coming.
pita
Do you want YouTube?
or pan arabe.
You want YouTube?
This should take
Madam Holly,
between 8 and 12 minutes.
go on. See-
Our second batch is ready. Here you go. As soon as they pop up, they are ready.
50 golden grapes of the heat
Last one.
was emblazoned on the cover.
Well, with this you can make little pizzas. No problem.
Put in there. Put in there.
It's very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot. It's very hot. Be careful.
It tastes nice. It tastes nice. But I can feel the flavor. I like this flavor. You should have a flavor.
Flavor?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you can put the flavor after.
Yeah.
You can put ham and cheese. And you can make pizza with that.